Hi, for part two of this assignment, I have to create a Moodle page. So here's my demo Moodle page. I have my name, photo me, my contact details. One of the feedback I got from students was that they'd like a link to sign on to the lecture right at the top of the page. So I have this link here, and if they click on the button, it should open up a Teams call. They can click on that, and they can join the meeting. Now, can I go back to where I was? With great difficulty. Sorry about this. So I'll get back to my Moodle page again. That's the link to get into the meeting. I have announcements there. If I want to send out group messages, I can record attendance. I have a welcome video here at the top, so they can click on that. Just me giving a bit of information about myself and welcome them. Module overview then, I've used the tiles here. So if I click on that, if I go into module overview, it pops up. So I have a screencast on here that gives more detail about the layout of the module. And this is basically what happens every week. Learning outcomes are here. And there's more information on the module descriptor and the program here through these links. So if I click on this, I shouldn't have clicked on that because I'm not able to go back. Oh, wait, bring over here and go back. It brings me back. If we go back then again, the next thing I have here is assessment information, so it's quite clear to them how the course is assessed. We have the progress bar here. I've only done one of the assignments that I've set up myself. So the breakdown of the CA, this is 100% CA module. 50% is physics, 50% is maths. If we go back here, it's broken up into weeks then. We have 12 weeks in a term. I've just laid on 3 weeks here as an example. I like this feature here, restrictive access, so I can pre-program week 2 to populate, say early hours on Monday morning. So it doesn't mean that I myself have to go in and manually populate it. At the start of the year, I can just do this out for every week, which I found this year helped a lot compared to last year. So if I click on a week, I have a face-to-face session on the Monday. And the first week has general information on it. We do problem-based learning. It has the handbook. I got them just interact with Moodle to have a very basic upload with a sheet of paper with their name on it, just to make sure everyone was able to use Moodle and there was no issues there. Then in the maths on the Wednesday, it's online. So I have the link at the top of the previous page. We have all the lecture notes here. I've done a flipped classroom approach, so I have a video here where I pre-recorded it. Use PowerPoint and the mouse there to record that. I got them to do a quiz before the lecture so that they would engage with the content before the lecture. Now I say lecture, but really when I met them, we did a question and answer session to view sort of the muddiest points. How we found out the muddiest points was based on the quiz results. I could see who was struggling and what questions. We focused on that then. And then they had an assignment to do, and they were free to get started on that during the session if we got through some of the muddiest points. And I was happy to engage with people. So that's week 1. Week 2 then it follows a similar format, and same with week 3. So once they become accustomed with the layout of everything, they start studying more independently. So I think I'm nearly up to my free time limit on this, so I must end it. How do I stop it now?